stolen duct tape from a hardware store. So they will try to escape using a boat, and they will escape in the country of South Korea. They will go to somewhere. So they will ride the boat, and then the boat will sink because of some reason. So now the boat is sinking, and they can't save anything else but the duct tapes that they have stolen. So now they're swimming into a small island, and they only brought their duct tapes. And now they're they're trying to survive using these duct tape, so they don't know what to do. They're trying to eat the duct tape, trying to use the duct tape as a telescope to find a boat that could save them, but it is pretty useless. But one day they ask themselves, what shall we do with this duct tape in order to survive and we should live? So they use the duct tapes to tie and make a multi-purpose duct tape device that would save their lives for how many days. So first, they used the multi-purpose device to catch some big fishes. As you can see, the duct tape device has big holes, so we can catch small fish because we want the small fish to grow big. So we will catch the big fish. We need to help our ecosystem. So they catch the fish, and then they use the duct tape device to dry the fish, because you won't dry the fish in the sand, right? And then after that, they use the duct tape device so they can sit on it and they will eat fish while sitting in the duct tape device. And then after that, one day, this baby named Miran is getting sick. So now she is using the duct tape device to sleep and rest and regenerate. Now the baby Miran will say something to you guys.
Even if you have small thing right now, you can still make a big impact out of it. So don't be afraid of making a startup. Thank you.